Hi there. In today's video, we'll show you how to add text to your 3D models in Elegoo Slicer. Your model might look plain at first, but you can make it special by adding words or a logo. So first, open your model into Elegoo Slicer and select this model, then click the text tool. Type your text here, maybe your name, a label, or your logo. Here, you can pick the font, height, depth, char gap, boldness, skew ratio, from surface, rotation. Then drag it onto your model's surface. It might look a little off, but you can click Use Surface or Per Glyph so the text sticks right to your model, so it lines up perfect. Want to change the look? Make the text thicker, smaller, or try a new font. And that's it. Adding text is simple, but it makes your model more personal. So, next time you print, try adding your own model. Your model will truly be yours. That's all for today's tutorial. If you've got cool tips or ideas, share them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more 3D printing fun. See you next time.